I am here now with Chef Diana Nadira of the Nadira Group, and you are going to make for us some delish empanadas with guava and cream cheese. I love that mashup.
Hi, Sydney. Thank you for having me today. Yes, we're making some guava cream cheese empanadas. They're the perfect combination of salty and sweet. So the sweet, we get it from the guava paste, and the salty from some cream cheese. So I'm going to start making the cream cheese filling. So you have to have room temperature cream cheese, so it's easy to mix in everything. And then a little bit of egg yolk. This helps bind everything together.
Ah, egg yolk. So that's just raw egg yolk.
Yep. And then some sugar. I'm not going to use all of it. We do want that saltiness. So I'm just going to mix this together.
And then we add?
So now we're going to put this into our piping bag and we're going to pipe it. And then the guava, I just cut it into cubes. It can go in just like that into the empanada.
Ooh.
It gets delicious. Okay. So we cut off our end here. I'm going to show you how to fill these and close them. I actually learned this from my mom. So you take the tapa, and then you start with the guayaba first, the guava. And then we're going to pipe some cream cheese filling. And then you're going to close it. So you start off by doing the ends first, and then you just go around.
I like this technique. Thanks for sharing that.
Of course.
Make it look easy.
There. Then the last step is to egg wash them first. So we're putting the egg wash on and it gives it color and shine in the oven. Then you take a sharp knife and you make 3 scores. And that way the steam escapes when they're baking. 1, 2, 3. And then to the oven.
So after baking the empanadas at 350 for 25 minutes, now the final touch, Chef Diana.
The final touch is some sweetness, some powdered sugar. Just gonna, you can never have too much sugar. Voila. Cheers.
Cheers.